Hi friends, it's Suzanne from Stampin.com here to welcome you back to the 12-part mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. This event was held on September 25th, 2022 in Kelowna, BC, Canada. I partnered with my friend Terry Hamilton from Card Designs by Terry, and we created a really fun event for our local crafters. Of course, I filmed the making of all 12 cards, plus an additional 2 bonus card designs. I have been asked to sell the PDFs that were given to the attendees, and if you so desire, you can purchase them too for $10 Canadian. There's a link in the description box below. And many thanks and blessings to those of you who do. I appreciate you. Hey everybody, here we are with card number 9 of the Lake House series. Sorry I've been absent of late. I have hurt my back and have not been able to sit at the computer chair for very long. So that means editing and voiceovering had to be put aside so that I could recuperate. I'm still not 100% because I'm working all the way through it, but anyway, I'm fine, and here I am today to share this card. We're featuring the Joyful Flurry stamp set. I have stamped the sentiment in Coastal Cabana, and now I have the large snowflake, and I am alternating between the 3 inks, Coastal Cabana, Mint Macaron, Granny Apple Green. And then I do have my scrubby in off the camera. You can't see it, but I'm scrubbing off the ink each and every time I go to stamp. All right, so and then I'm going in with the next biggest stamp or snowflake. And like I said, this is a 3 by 5 inch piece of card. So, and then the card base, of course, is Coastal Cabana. And there is mint macaron strips as well as that layering circle scalloped piece. All right, so like I said, I started off with the biggest snowflake, went to the next size, and now I am just filling in the holes with the very smallest one. And it is okay that I inked over, you know, like I'm touching the fronds of the snowflake with others, because snow does not have personal space. It will fall as it wishes. But I don't want it to make it too busy. All right, in my trimmer, I'm going to cut 1 inch off. So that is 3 by 5. Now I'm going to cut 1 inch off this way. So now they are, I guess it would be 2 by 4. And then I'm cutting those in half. So I'm just going to put adhesive on the back of these, and I'm going to put them on the mats that I made, and that is in mint macaron. So the sentiment goes on this Granny Apple Green scallop. And then I have these just slightly bigger than the 3 by 4 piece that I'm using here. So, and making sure that the mat is carefully adhered. I like this technique. It's kind of like a little strip technique, and you can make the strips as big or small as you want. I wanted 1 in big and then 2 on the smaller side that will flank it. I turned these pieces over and put dimensional adhesive on them, of course. And now I'm going to adhere them to the middle of the card. So the big one goes down first, and then the 2 smaller flanking its side. And I didn't care so much that, you know, you don't have to be matchy-matchy. You don't want the pattern to match. So that's the reason why it was okay to go over some of the fronds. You can overstamp. You could do a different colorway. So I put dimensional adhesive on the card as opposed to on the circle, just to make sure that I got it right. And there is my share for today. You can see all the supplies I used listed below in the video see more section or in the supplies section of my blog, and those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Remember, I do have 2 really big events coming up right now, the games night, and I have a elite retreat, and also I have some online classes for you to partake in. So hopefully you will do that. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.